Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to share a printer in Windows 10. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel listed right above App. So go ahead and left click on that. Select your You Buy and select Category, and then select Hardware and Sound. Select Devices and Printers. And now right click on whatever printer you're having the issue with or you want to share. So just right click on whatever printer you want to share and then select Printer Properties. Select the Sharing tab. Select Change Sharing Options. Check mark where it says Share this printer. Name this printer whatever you want, so the share name would be listed here. Make sure Render Print Jobs on Client Computers is checkmarked, and then select Apply, and OK. And also, I would suggest if you want to click on the little back arrow up there, and then click on that again, go to Network and Internet, select Network and Sharing Center, and then select Change Advanced Sharing Settings on the left side. You want to turn on Network Discovery, turn on File and Printer Sharing should be enabled as well, and then click the little drop down arrow underneath all networks. You can keep public folder sharing, keep this off. The 128-bit encryption is fine, but for password protection sharing, you want to turn off password protected sharing, and then select Save Changes. And that's it, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.